If you don't like bland food but still use other oils, then switch to sesame oil. It's a game changer. This tiny plant packs a punch. First off, it's a flavor booster. Sesame seeds and oil add a rich, nutty taste to any dish. Plus, it's loaded with nutrients. Think protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Your heart will thank you. And your skin glowing and youthful thanks to antioxidants. Oh, and did I mention, it's super easy to grow at home. Just a sunny spot, some water, and voila. Fresh sesame seeds right from your garden. Ready to add some green magic to your life? Follow at World of Plants 58 for more plantastic tips.